I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to make kabocha squash puree for babies. It's very possible you've seen the shorter version of this video, but I needed to make an elaborate one for more clarification. You need carrots, green beans and black-eyed peas. I've gone ahead to peel these beans. Just in case you want to learn how to do this, click on the link above. Then go ahead and prepare every other ingredient you're using. Go ahead and cut open the kabocha squash, the seed, peel, then go ahead and chop to pieces.
Times many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So offering.
Then go ahead and add all the ingredients into the pot. Add the quantity of water that will be enough to cook the food until it's tender without drying up.
Merry Christmas to you.
Cover and cook until it's soft. Once it's soft like this, as you can see, the water didn't dry up, so I don't have to add fresh water for blending. So just go ahead and throw it into the plate, allow to cook a little, or you can go ahead and blend almost immediately. Blend smooth.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
And then serve. I would also like to let you know that kabocha squash can be consumed without combining it with any other meal, just like we did in this video. For instance, what I have here is kabocha squash puree. I just went ahead to wash the kabocha, peeled and cook until it became tender. Then I blended smooth. All you have to do is just to add a little baby formula to boost the nutrient content. Kabocha squash on its own is very nutritious. Yes, it has a lot of nutrients beneficial to our babies. Kabocha squash puree can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days or in the freezer for up to 5 months. It's also important you label your baby food appropriately and also remember to put the name tag. Hey beautiful soul, just in case you are yet to hit on that red subscribe button down there, go ahead and do so. Turn on your bell icon so you don't get to miss any of my videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.